Now, channel-free early warning weather with meteorologist Mark Dixon.
All right, across Connecticut today, a nice reprieve from extreme heat and as well, of course, high humidity. And we'll get to enjoy several days of that break. It's this upcoming weekend that we may see our next run at the 90-degree mark. So currently our tally of 90-degree days stands at 35 days, just 3 days away from tying the all-time record from 1983 of 38 days. Nowhere near the 90-degree mark right now. In fact, many communities in the mid and upper 70s here in the noon hour across Connecticut. As warm as 81 at Bradley International Airport, 78 in Willimantic, 75 currently in Torrington, mid-70s also along the Connecticut shoreline, and along coastal Connecticut, we've got dew point values still in the low and mid-60s, so certainly not oppressive, but across interior portions of the state, values are in the upper 50s, close to 60. So it's going to be a comfortably warm afternoon for sure with those lower levels of humidity. So our ICAM view from Hartford showing a lot of blue skies, some puffy fair weather clouds out there as we check out the scene from atop Hartford 21 as we make our way into the brass city of Waterbury. Very similar scene there, 74, 77 in New Haven with a lot of sunshine, a very pleasant, spectacular day underway weather-wise. Our view from New London as well, showing a temperature right now of 76 degrees. So while things are quiet here across southern New England, we are tracking in the tropics in the eastern Caribbean, one tropical wave that has a fairly low probability, at least in the near term, of further developing into anything substantial. However, behind that, about 1,000 miles west of Africa, heading toward the west, is making its way into an environment that's going to be slightly more conducive. So this one has a higher likelihood of perhaps becoming our next tropical depression or tropical storm. So we'll keep you updated on that, of course, as we head forward in time. Meanwhile, here in southern New England, we've got the front that has moved offshore. Behind it, we've got that refreshing air mass, very comfortable again this afternoon and for the foreseeable future. Pretty nice stretch of weather all the way through, say, Friday. So behind that front, we've got some cooler, drier air filtering in on a west-northwesterly breeze. So this afternoon, locally forecasting temperatures to likely top out between 80 and 85 in many spots. So our normal high is 83, so right in line with what's considered typical or average for this time of August. So FUTURECAST looking at tomorrow's weather today, showing again a lot of sunshine, just some fair weather clouds. Couple specks of green pop up this afternoon. I think it's going to be a dry day. Mainly clear skies overnight tonight, and temperatures early tomorrow morning and some of the usual cooler spots dip into the 50s. And then tomorrow afternoon, looking for a day very similar to today with a mix of sun and clouds. Tomorrow actually perhaps a couple degrees cooler than today. So overnight tonight, 55 to 60 inland and low 60s along the 95 corridor to start our Wednesday. And taking you through the day tomorrow with FUTURECAST dew point values even lower than today, perhaps even into the upper 40s. So it's going to be a very dry air mass for sure. And that will set the stage for an even cooler morning come early Thursday, mid-50s then. So 81 tomorrow afternoon, 83 on Thursday. And then as high pressure moves offshore, and that allows a southwesterly flow to kick in as we close out the week, temperatures start creeping back in the upper direction as well as the humidity. We'll end the week dry. Saturday, there's a chance for an isolated shower, and with enough sunshine, we'll take a run at the 90-degree mark. Then on Sunday, not a washout, but a chance at least for an isolated shower or storm. It's all going to be about the timing and the arrival of a cold front, so that could bring some rain even into Monday of next week. For shoreline highs, low 80s through the next couple of days, then mid 80s Friday, Saturday, and Sunday.